Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with Chase Freedom, detailed guide step by step. To configure a credit card with Chase Freedom, start by ensuring you have your Chase Freedom card on hand. Next, open the Chase mobile app or visit the Chase website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Select your Chase Freedom card from the list of accounts. Look for the Card Services option on the screen. Click on Activate Card if it's a new card you're configuring. If you're configuring an existing card, skip to the next step. Locate the Configure Preferences section. Here, you can set your spending limits, turn on account alerts, and manage your payment methods. To set up account alerts, select Notifications. Choose the types of alerts you wish to receive, such as payment due dates or spending limits. Next, configure your payment method preferences. You can choose to make a one-time payment or set up automatic payments. For automatic payments, select the frequency and the bank account you'd like to use. If desired, opt into credit score monitoring features offered through Chase. Make sure to check your card benefits to maximize rewards. Review your settings to ensure all preferences are correct. Finally, confirm any changes you made and log out of your account securely. Your Chase Freedom card is now configured according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.